Hi everyone, I'm Ira and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got a bit of a different start today. This is a video to let you guys know that I need a break. I'm taking a break from YouTube. One of the things that has always been really important to me is music, and my videos up until now, other than one, have all been music that I've paid for royalty free for my videos. And I did that because I was learning how to make videos, and recording music for videos takes a lot of work. It's a lot of extra work. But now I'm moving into phase 3 of my YouTube channel. If you've been following along from the beginning, you could kind of understand some of this. Phase 1 was just me messing around, learning how to make videos. And I was skateboarding and mountain biking and just trying to make vlogs and messing around. Phase 2 is when I decided that I had a lot to say about craft. And so I wanted to make videos about craft. So I came up with the idea for 5 Tool Tuesday and the idea for 1 Tool Wednesday. And both of those video series did really well for me. That was a specific style and I learned how to do it really well and I loved it very much. So thank you for those of you who were part of that and were commenting and watching the videos. And I know when I started doing those, I was very focused on leathercraft. And I still am very focused on leathercraft. Leathercraft is very important in my crafting world, but I also am a woodworker and I love working with wood. So that was phase 2, is those 2 series, using other people's music and talking about craft. But from now on, we're going to change things up, and I am going to take a break from YouTube. So when I come back, I'm going to bring music with me. And I'm going to start with a series on basic carving skills. We're going to start from the beginning of learning how to carve, from what wood to choose, what tools to choose, and so on and so forth. That's not to say that I won't do any more leatherwork videos and other things sprinkled in between, but we're going to dive fully into carving and learning how to carve from a beginner's perspective. I want to take someone from a beginner all the way to advanced. So that's going to be phase 3, bringing in my music, bringing in my carving skills, and we're still going to do leather work. I have other leather videos that I did promise you guys, and I will bring that back. But after this break, we're going to start with a carving series. I don't know if it's going to be weekly, but the videos are going to be a little bit longer as well. They're going to be out in the woods a lot of the time because we're building a base camp, and the base camp is going to be a great place to do videos out there. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to take a couple months off, and when I come back, we're going to be doing some really neat stuff. I just want to say thank you to those of you who have watched my videos and supported my YouTube channel. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's a good time to do it because you want to be notified when I come back with my new series. Drop a like on this video so it can get out to other people, and go ahead and watch more of my other videos because they're not going anywhere. We've got 5 Tool Tuesday and 1 Tool Wednesday right here. And I also have all my old skateboarding and mountain bike videos. Anyways, I really appreciate you all being here and sticking around, and I hope you'll stay with me for phase 3. Until then, I'll be me and you be you. Peace.